Hello, it's Tom here from Pidcock TV, and today I am in a very sunny Nottinghamshire countryside road, and behind me I have BMW's fantastic R18. Now, the R18 is BMW's biggest capacity motorcycle made to date. This bike is a modern cruiser, but we still have tiny little nods to BMW's heritage. So things like the pinstriping on here, the way the calipers are designed and made, the looks of the suspension, and the appearance of a hardtail frame really gives the nods back to BMW's heritage and where this bike came from. We have lots of modern touches, things like traction control and ABS are all on the bike. Now, as well as these, we do have a whole host of accessories to make that bike individual to yourself. Now, as well as all the different options we have some various offers, individual and personalised to you. So if you want to get in touch with one of the sales team, they'll be more than happy to go through all the little details and make you an offer.